I reckon it's got reed relays in there that are attracted by the magnet. If I hold this close, I can hear them clicking. Hi guys, just did the video showing you I picked this up in a charity shop. Cost me £1.99. Crazy Golf. I've worked out that, well, we put the batteries in, we've switched it on, there's clearly a speaker just there, and there's magnets in here, and I think there's reed relays that click as I roll the ball over there. So I think they're supposed to activate some sort of sound effect, but the sound effect isn't working. So we're going to do a teardown video. It's only this piece that we're going to need to take apart, as far as I can tell. 1.4, 1.58, 1.6. So yeah, those batteries are good enough. So we'll have a look inside. Take that off. I would expect to find a little black blob chip that has the sound effects on it and a speaker. I don't expect to find anything else in there. Okay, there we are. Speaker looks okay. Could just be the on-off switch is no good. That wouldn't be the first time. There's our black blob. Shorting out the tags on the switch isn't doing anything. That's one of the reed relays there, magnetically operated. There's a magnet there, which is attracted when you put the ball on there. And that should pull up the contacts. Make contact there, but we're not hearing any clicking or anything. Let's see if we're actually getting power to the board. That's going up there. Just half a volt. Doesn't seem very good, does it? Switch it off. Half a volt. Check the back of here. Virtually nothing. So we've just taken it apart, and the problem is probably the battery contacts. In fact, now I can see that one's rusty. I think that's all our problem is. Still not getting it. Right, 1.4, 3. It's that contact there that's causing the trouble. Right, we've made progress. I've got the wireless microphone down here so we can actually hear the sound effects. It was just dirty contacts on the battery terminals. And I've still got that hanging loose at the moment. But if we go on here and short these contacts out, that's when it lands in the sand. That's when it lands in the water. And then this one, if I push it down, is when we actually get in the hole. So we are now working. I will put it back together and, well, I guess we give it a try. Just a quick close-up of the circuit board. See if I can hold my hand still. Yeah, nothing much to see really. A black blob. Back together. Microphone sitting there. So, when your ball lands on the water, when it lands in the bunker, and when you get it in the hole, so it's all working now. And it was just dirty battery contacts or corroded battery contacts, but we had a look inside anyway. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.